Hi, I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2009 Honda Civic 1.8 liter automatic. I'm going to show you how to service the transmission. These are the tools I'm going to be using today to do this job. Door panel remover, 3/8 ratchet, flat tip screwdriver, and my fluid exchanger. This is the part I'm going to be using today to do this job. This is a full synthetic automatic transmission fluid. I'm going to be flushing it out with 14 quarts of fluid. Okay, so this is the transmission. This one does not have a pan, so the filter is non-serviceable. Okay, so I'm going to be removing my drain plug with a 3/8 ratchet. Stick it right in and then remove it. So we're going to be draining the transmission fluid. So there's a magnet on the drain plug, so just wipe it down, get off all that crud off, and then put it back in the transmission and tighten it up. Okay, so now I'm going to be removing this plastic piece so I can get access to my transmission cooler line from the bottom. So you got to remove all these plastic retainers. So I'm going to be using my fluid exchanger. I'm going to be adding in 2.5 quarts of transmission fluid to get started. Okay, so the dipstick is located on the driver's side of the vehicle. The yellow dipstick, will pull it out. I'm going to stick my hose in. Okay, so I'm going to be pumping in 2.5 quarts. Okay. So now we're underneath the vehicle again. We're on the driver's side front. I'm going to be removing this transmission cooler hose from this cooler, and I'm going to be hooking up my adapters for my fluid exchanger. Okay, so now I'm going to be connecting my adapters. Okay, so I'm going to be connecting my fluid exchanger. Okay, I'm going to start up the machine. So we're going to start the engine. So now we're going to start flushing the trans. So I'm going to be flushing it out with about 10.5 quarts. So we're finished flushing out the system, so I'm going to turn off the machine and turning off the engine. Okay, so I'm going to be removing all of this and connecting my transcooler hose back on. Okay, so I'm going to be putting back this plastic shield. Okay, so with the engine off, I lowered the vehicle. Now I'm going to be checking the transmission fluid level. Okay, right now we're perfect. So what I need to do is I'm going to be road testing this car, get it to normal operating temperature, and then recheck the fluid while the engine is off. So I road tested the vehicle, I checked the fluid level, everything was perfect. So that's how you service a transmission. If you have any questions, comment below. Make sure to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.